Hello friends, I am Suparna.
And I'm Shojana.
Today we will make a short conversation between two old friends.
Hello, excuse me. If you don't mind, can I ask you something?
Yes?
Are you sure?
Yes? How do you know my name? And who are you?
I'm sure.
Who so?
I'm Shojana. Shojana from Panchperia School Science Department.
Oh, Shojana Chatterjee.
Yes. Now you remember me. How are you?
I am so sorry. I could not remember you before. I am fine. By the way, how are you?
I'm fine also. And thank you.
Okay, so you live here.
Yes. What about you? Why are you here?
Actually, I come to my uncle house and now I just roaming around.
Oh, then come to our house. It's just 10 minutes walk.
Oh no, it's okay.
No, please, my mom and dad will be very happy to see you.
Then I will come tomorrow, as I did not inform anyone.
Surely.
Yes, absolutely.
Then give your contact number, please.
Okay, then take it.
Okay. So we will meet tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
This is our conversation. Actually, we are practicing and learning spoken English. Thanks for watching and support us.